Welcome to Abu Dhabi and the empty quarter. I want to talk about AI and productivity. As we can see here, the UAE has been unbelievably productive over the last half a century, building one of, if not some of the best cities in the world. And as we saw, me and my family only a month or so ago, when we got to speak to Emirati astronaut on the International Space Station from the Louvre, Abu Dhabi. This country, regardless of its size, really does punch above its weight on the global stage. And I think that's what AI actually is going to mean over the next decade for everybody. I think we're going to move into this world now whereby if you're good at what you do, if you really enjoy your job, if you really enjoy your purpose, your mission in life, for so much time, IT and developers like myself have been the block. They've been the thing that stopped you from communicating with technology to do the things you want to get done. And that's all going to change. Now that you can communicate with technology through natural language, this is going to be like having a chief of staff for every single person, which is going to take care of all the presentations, going to take care of all the reports, the emails. It's going to translate how you speak into the language of how someone else speaks, both the actual language, say from English to Indonesian, but also the tone, the sentiment, the mannerisms that the receiving person will best respond to. And then you look at things like DALL-E for image generation. This is going to turn the idea of going, we want to run a campaign promoting the empty quarter, for example, from something a design team and an agency will take weeks to come up with, to something that a member of your team inside your organisation is going to generate in a matter of minutes, if not single-digit hours. And this is only going to continue to increase as we find more and more use cases for this AI technology. Large language models are the thing that have the hype at the moment, and rightly so. And there's definitely going to be a massive gain from the likes of ChatGPT and Claude and stuff as they break into enterprises and how they start to show people what natural language can do, able to speak into system whatever and output out a 20-page slide deck, output out a report, output out a video, a movie, a song that not only has been generated by AI and been crafted by your natural language speech, but also that output is dynamic to the person receiving it. So one person will get an advert with a subtle tone because that resonates with their belief, whereas another person will get music in hard rock because that's how they're motivated. This is truly a remarkable time of innovation in this space, and though it can be seen as overwhelming sometimes, we just have to remember, like the leadership here in the UAE did, sometimes you can build a sandcastle out of sand.